Jack, what are you doing in my chair? Huh? Are you watching a little YouTube? Yeah, are you watching a little YouTube? Don't do that, please. Did you see somebody that you enjoyed? Did you give them a like? Did you give them a comment? Yeah? Who did you subscribe to? I don't know what you're doing in my chair, but it seems to be that you're pretty comfortable up there. Yeah? I leave it for 1 second. No, no, no. Don't drink my tea. Tea is off limits. Okay. No, I don't think you need to craft. Jack, sit down. Okay. I think you need to get down now. All right? Okay.